In this video, I will invite you to review Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel income from YouTube. Let's start. This is data from the Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel based on the Social Blade source. This Matt Off-Road Recovery channel was created on the March 28, 2019. Until the time this video was created, the Matt Off-Road Recovery channel had reached 1,680,000 subscribers, and have uploaded 725 videos. And total 733,814,946 videos has been watched. Let's see how much Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel total income from YouTube. This is views data from Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel. Daily views 523,203 views. Weekly views 3,662,421 views. And in the last 1 month Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel has been watched by 15,696,065 views. Okay, let's continue calculating Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel income from YouTube. In 1 month the Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel gets $3,900 up to $62,800. And in the last 1 year Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel earned $47,100 up to $753,400. This data is just an estimate from Social Blade. Of course, only Matt's Off-Road Recovery channel owner knows the real income. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to this channel, so I can continue to share information about your YouTuber earnings.